What do you do when you got 2 buddies, 4 kids, and both of your wives are gone? You buy a quick pitch backyard tent, and I got it right here. So this is the Coleman, what do they call this thing? This is the Coleman Instant Cabin. I literally bought it off of Amazon because we found out this week, wives are gonna be gone, needed to do something. So this is the 4-person version. Looked for the 6-person version, everything was gone. Everyone's into camping these days, trying to get something done outside. I'm gonna set this up, I'm gonna give you my first impressions, and we'll go from there. All right, first things first. We can't start a good backyard camping trip without a good set of tools. And we're gonna open this puppy up with a CRKT Maven. Got it right there. Yeah, this thing's pretty slick. Right over there. So what you see is what you're gonna get. That's not too bad for a 4-person instant Coleman. I mean, that's not gonna take up a lot of trunk space. Hey buddy. All right, so this is how it comes right out of the box. Nice little buckles. It's actually fairly compact, considering that it's a 4-person tent that is supposed to have instant pop-up poles. So these ties, I'm not really sure what they're gonna do. It's nice that they tied a quick release knot. Okay, first thing I see is stakes. So I'm supposed to remember how this gets clipped together, I guess. Remove this assembly cardboard. Sticker on top that says spread, extend, pop up. So let's see if I can do this without reading the instructions. Spread. Oh. Well, okay. Extend. Why do I get the feeling like this is not as tall as it's supposed to be? Is this it? Hi! Okay, so this seems to be about it. There's a few things that I'll point out, but let's see how easy is it to move when I'm trying to turn it. That's not too shabby for a quick pitch 4-person tent. First thing I noticed was this little, whatchamacallit here. It props the vent up, pretty heavy duty, not really. It's like a thick piece of foam they just sewed over. Something that I noticed is that these corners here seem to grab this material. I don't really know a way where you'd be able to keep that from happening. But other than that, it seems like you can pack it up with the clips attached still. And these little puppies, oh, I'm scraped up a little bit. But these little puppies here, just basically, you push it in like that, super easy to open it. Then pull on it, it's locked in place. And this top assembly doesn't seem like we'll ever need to touch it. It's not actually attached here on the top, except for through this knot thing. So this frame seems like it's been maybe retrofitted to this 4-person tent, which is pretty neat. And just headed in. This is the 4-person version, and it doesn't seem like we're really lacking in space. I'm 6'3", and I got kind of a hunch to stand up in here. So 6-person version would be probably pretty excellent, but this really isn't that bad for just quick car camping. There's a thin, you can kind of see it, transparent seal that runs across just about a 1/2 inch above the seam and all the way over the seam. Kind of muffs it up there, right there. It doesn't look that good. What the heck? Tent's already stained, so here's the inside of what we saw from the outside. Okay, I'm not really sure what you'd loop up through there, but you got it if you want it. Little loop from in here. Really nice, tall door. Really nice tall door. Windows for each side. That's pretty nice. And to zip everything up, I'm doing all this one-handed, so we'll see how it goes. See how much it kind of feels like everything's falling in. So it appears to me that this tent will absolutely need those drawstrings tied down. So let's give that a go. Tie those down and see how that works. With the air blasting into it, seems pretty spacious. Got the stakes. Most importantly, I need to lock this down and draw the base out. So I don't have any problems with it collapsing in. Throw that in there. For those of you who have really not set up a tent before, easiest way to do it is to do kitty corners first. That way you can really stretch it out. And there we go. And I decided that after I got those corners staked down, the inside fixed its problem, and I got the space that I was hoping for. So for the time being, this is a pretty good tent. Solves problems that we need to solve, and it's great for backyard camping. But when does it stop being good for backyard camping? And how far can you go out and take it into the wilderness for a reasonable, enjoyable family camping trip? I'll solve that all in another video, but for now, let's take your clothing. We'll catch you in the next one. He's gonna go find you a chair. If you can be happy, you'll be able to get a chair.
Okay.
Okay, you need a hug?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, are you okay now? Okay. Okay, so now to enlist the help of my little child. Hey, I need you to hold this for me and point it at me, okay? Point it at me. All right, no fingers in the front. Hold it right there. Yeah, and grab. Point at me. All right. Hired Ray.
Oh.
You filming me still?